Hey, it's Owen from Central Vacuum. Greetings from beautiful Manhattan. That is Manhattan, Illinois. I'm here to show you what the right time is for us to finish the installation of a built-in vacuum in a new construction house. Now, we install systems in existing homes all the time. That's called a retrofit, but the best time to put in the piping for a vacuum cleaning system is during construction. Everything can go where you want it, and the piping can go in. It all gets hidden away behind the walls. So we did that a few months ago here, and now the house is getting closer to completion, but we're still a little early. So these walls are primed. We want to wait until the walls have finished paint on them so that we can put our cover plate on and they don't have to paint around it. So the walls should be finished painted. If you have a dustpan inlet, which is a very popular, convenient option, the rough end for the dustpan inlet is going to come up through the floor like this. And this is going to be inside the cabinet box. So we want that cabinet to be in place and secured with the finished toe kick installed. That allows us to cut a rectangular hole in the toe kick that the dustpan inlet goes into or onto, and we make our connection through that rectangular hole. So the cabinets can be installed, the countertops can be installed, the house can basically be finished. And then the final step would be to put the canister in, which in this house is going in the garage. And out here in the garage, you can see they're still using this as a workshop, so probably best to have all this equipment out of here before we mount the canister to the wall. If the walls are going to be painted, that should be done first so they don't have to paint around the canister, maybe get paint on our pretty beautiful central vac canister. We wouldn't want that. And then we can come back, and basically when you're ready to start vacuuming, just before final occupancy, if you're here when we trim out the system, we'll show you how to use it. Otherwise, we can come back and do that and get you up and running. So any questions, give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching, and happy vacuuming.